Have you seen the recent AM marketing videos promoting better SEO results?
Imagine if there was a way to save at least 74% on SEO company fees and get better SEO results all at the same time. Imagine saving at least $13,000 a year while getting more traffic, better Google rankings, and more revenue all at the same time.
Curious to learn more before investing in their services? Then this video is for you. Do not trust the reviews listed on AM Marketing's website, as these videos are narrated by their affiliates and used to promote their services. We will provide an honest AM Marketing review, along with proof, so you can make an educated decision based on facts, not on marketing techniques that are designed to win you over. To begin our AM Marketing review, we are giving them a failing 2 out of 5 stars. This rating is assigned because most of the backlinks created by AM Marketing are useless and ineffective. But we'll get into the good and bad about AM Marketing, so you will understand why they get a 2 stars rating. To begin, all of the staff at AM Marketing are friendly and professional, and they will typically reply to your inquiry within 24 hours. This earns them 1 star. The second star is from the Technical SEO Report and the Keyword Strategy. These services are pretty much completed within the first month and may require additional effort on your part. However, if you are willing to provide AM Marketing with full access to your code, they will handle all of the technical SEO for you. The third strategy that is used by AM Marketing is off-page SEO, where they are supposed to provide 20 high-quality backlinks per month, and this is where they fail miserably. We started using AM Marketing in November 2024, and out of the 20 backlinks that we should have received, we only received 11. The reason is because the other 9 web pages containing the backlinks were never indexed by Google. You can have thousands of links pointing to your site, but if none of them are indexed by search engines, your pages will never receive any link juice or get higher placements in the search engines. After the first month of working with AM Marketing, we addressed our concerns about the backlinks not being indexed, and were informed that it takes time for the pages containing backlinks to get indexed. We understood that this could be the case, although pages from all of our websites are typically indexed within 24 hours of submitting them to Google. But here we are over 3 months later, and those pages still have not been indexed, although they were submitted to Google for indexing. To continue, it's also worth mentioning that the backlinks are placed on web pages that have nothing to do with my website's market or niche. Plus, the websites used for backlinks have little traffic and low domain ratings per SEMrush. AM Marketing likes to reference the MOZ DA ranking because it's higher, but MOZ is not as accurate as SEMrush or Ahrefs. So the backlinks we received are not as high quality as described, and the results that we've seen from a 3-month campaign are minuscule. For the month of December, 14 out of 20 pages were indexed, which was much better than November. But for the month of January, 0, that's right, 0 of the 20 pages were indexed, so we essentially paid for nothing. This prompted us to end the service immediately. Understand that after the first month, the only thing you're paying for is backlinks, and unfortunately, their backlink strategy is a complete fail. AM Marketing is now posting new advertisements on YouTube, which is a campaign that they seem to run every 3 months or so. They'll try to keep you as a client for 3 to 4 months and repeat the same process each quarter, but don't fall for it. You'll end up wasting time and money for a service that produces no traffic or SEO benefits. Imagine paying for 60 backlinks and only receiving 25. This is all that we've received, and when additional backlinks we requested in lieu of those that were not being indexed, AM Marketing declined the request. So what are we paying for? Useless backlinks that have no value. To date, 35 of the 60 backlinks purchased still have not been indexed. And for your reference, we are listing the URLs of all the non-indexed pages in the description so you can verify the status for yourself. When we started using AM Marketing in November 2024, we were unable to find any real user reviews about their services. Hopefully, this will serve as a helpful review for those that are considering AM Marketing. If the information provided in this video is helpful, Please like, subscribe, share, and contribute, and we'll continue to produce similar content to keep investors and consumers from wasting their time and money.